How to find contact numbers or reservations on Marriott. Finding Marriott hotel contact numbers on their website or application is very easy. So you can just go over and follow out those methods in order to do so. So we can start by going to Marriott.com in your browser, or you can even download the application if you want. Now, once we are logged in here, what we can do is we can navigate to the specific hotel page where the phone number is listed beneath the address. So if we can find the address directly, we can look out for our destination at the top by tapping on our destination at the top search box available, like this right here. So once you find the hotel, the phone number is listed right below the address. So within the website, you can just scroll down and you can look out for the overview, the location of the hotel, etc. And when you scroll up bit, you will be finding a section called telephone with the phone number directly available. If you want to find contact numbers or reservations, you can just go over and directly contact them by contacting through the phone number available here. You can just go and check it out. Or if there is a messaging option available, the chat feature available, you can use that chat feature directly in order to contact the hotel. And apart from that, what you can do is if you wanna, look out for reservations, you can just go over and search for hotels specifically and look out for the hotel overview option here, and you can find it up, or you can look out for the lookup reservation option within the application to enter up your confirmation number and last name and check-in date, and that is possible. Email address are not available for hotels, so if you're a member, you need to sign in into your account for easier access to your upcoming stay details. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.